Have you ever wondered if going to bed on an empty stomach could actually be good for you? Does skipping that late-night snack really benefit your body, or is it just another myth? Well, you might be surprised by the science behind it. Stick around because in today's video, we're diving deep into why fasting overnight can be a game-changer for your metabolic system, your organs, and your overall healing process. And trust me, you'll want to hear about the incredible benefits waiting for you when you go to bed without eating. Let's start with what happens when you don't eat before bed. You might think your body just shuts down as soon as you fall asleep, but that's far from the truth. While you're resting, your body enters repair mode, working on everything from your cells to your brain. But what if I told you that giving your digestive system a break can supercharge this process? Eating before bed forces your body to focus on digestion instead of repair. By fasting, or going to sleep hungry, your body shifts gears. It starts to tap into fat reserves, increases metabolic efficiency, and can even trigger healing processes. Sounds interesting, right? Stay with me because I'm going to explain how this works. One of the biggest benefits of going to bed hungry is the effect on your metabolism. Now, I know what you're thinking, won't skipping dinner slow down my metabolism? Actually, no. When you stop eating early in the evening, your insulin levels drop, allowing your body to burn stored fat for energy instead of sugar. This is particularly important if you're looking to lose weight or manage it more effectively. By fasting, your body enters a state called ketosis, where fat is broken down into energy. So, going to bed with an empty stomach helps you burn fat while you sleep. How amazing is that? Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried fasting before bed. Did you notice any difference? Here's where things get even more fascinating. When you fast before bed, your body can focus more on healing and recovery. During sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which helps repair tissues, regenerate cells, and even strengthen your immune system. But if you eat late at night, your body is too busy digesting food to focus on healing. This is why fasting before bed can actually speed up your body's natural healing processes. Going to bed hungry has also been linked to lowering inflammation in the body. If you're someone who deals with joint pain, inflammation, or even chronic illness, fasting can be a gentle way to reduce that inflammation while you rest. Let's talk about your digestive organs, especially your liver, pancreas, and gut. These organs work hard all day long, breaking down the food you eat and converting it into energy. But when you eat late at night, they don't get the break they need. Fasting overnight allows your liver to rest and regenerate, which can help detoxify your body more efficiently. It also helps your pancreas regulate insulin better, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. And as for your gut, fasting gives your microbiome time to balance itself, which can improve your digestion overall. Your organs need time to rest just like you do. Fasting before bed allows them to repair and get ready for the next day. Now, you might be worried that going to bed hungry will keep you up at night, but the opposite is often true. When you eat before bed, your body has to work to digest that food, which can disrupt your sleep cycle. By fasting, you're allowing your body to enter a deeper, more restful sleep. In fact, studies have shown that people who fast before bed often experience better sleep quality. You'll spend more time in the important REM and deep sleep stages, which is where the real healing and recovery happens. Not only will you wake up feeling more rested, but you'll also wake up lighter and more refreshed, without that bloated feeling from a late-night meal. Of course, going to bed hungry can help you manage your weight, but that's just the beginning. Fasting has been linked to a whole range of long-term health benefits, from reducing the risk of chronic diseases to boosting mental clarity and focus. By giving your body regular breaks from food, you're supporting your brain health, reducing oxidative stress, and even promoting longevity. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting, which is essentially what you're doing when you go to bed hungry, can increase your lifespan and protect against diseases like Alzheimer's. By going to bed hungry, you're not just taking care of your body tonight, you're setting yourself up for a healthier future. Now, while going to bed hungry has many benefits, it's not for everyone. If you have specific health conditions, like low blood sugar or certain gastrointestinal issues, it might be better to have a light, healthy snack before bed. If you're unsure whether this is right for you, always consult your doctor before making any changes to your eating habits. So, you're interested in trying it out, but where do you start? Here are a few simple tips to help you ease into fasting before bed. Finish your last meal at least 3 hours before bed. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Start with shorter fasting periods, like 10 or 12 hours, and gradually increase to 14 or 16 hours. Listen to your body. If you feel faint or too hungry to sleep, try a small snack like a handful of nuts. Remember, fasting is a personal journey, and it's important to find what works best for you. So, are you ready to give fasting before bed a try? Challenge yourself to go just one night without eating before bed, and see how you feel the next morning. You might be surprised at the benefits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments below. I'll be reading every single one. Going to bed hungry might sound intimidating, but once you understand the benefits, it can become a powerful tool for your health and healing. From boosting your metabolism to improving your sleep quality, the advantages are hard to ignore. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, your health is in your hands. Take control of it.